My name is Josh Beynon and I am an associate with Practice Solutions, and I work on the Wales Mental Health and Wellbeing Forum. The Wales Mental Health and Wellbeing Forum is a collection of service users and carers with lived and living experience of mental health services in Wales. The Wales Mental Health and Wellbeing Conference is the forum's first annual conference talking about lived experience in services across Wales. We've got some fantastic speakers. We've got Andrew Jenkins as our guest speaker, who starred on The Traitors. We've got the Deputy Minister doing a video introduction about how she sees lived experience in healthcare settings. And we've also got professionals from across health and social care to talk more about what they do and how they see lived experience fitting into health and social care services into the future. The forum wanted to hold a conference because they do so much fantastic work all year round, and they want to showcase that work, but also to put lived and living experience more and more at the forefront of services when they design and deliver services to patients across Wales. It's a really, really exciting opportunity for them to get together, to talk with other like-minded professionals and people as well with these experiences, and to share them across Wales and to actually build better relationships for the future. So Practice Solutions are in charge of organising and supporting the forum in the activities, but the forum is completely led by lived experience individuals. It's up to them what they choose to focus on, how they want things to be delivered, but also when they want to do it. It's really important as an organisation that we listen to them, because they're the ones with the lived and living experience and they know better than us. But it's really important that we can help them and support them to deliver their aims and help promote their message as far and wide as possible. I think the biggest challenge has actually been condensing everything down into a day. The forum's been around now for a number of years and there's so much good work, and having our first ever conference means we've got to condense that all down into one day. It's a really exciting opportunity, but also it's quite daunting in the fact that we've got so much to talk about, but that's such a positive thing in terms of where we go for next year and how we build on this first annual conference. For me, the most rewarding part of being involved in the forum is actually seeing the difference that forum members make every single day, day in and day out, to people who wouldn't even know about it, through impacting services, through influencing and using their voice to make a difference. And that's really, really valuable, even from things in terms of just saying that that service wouldn't work for me because of maybe transport concerns, or maybe the way it's designed or the format it's being delivered, is so important in making sure that we have a population of healthy individuals, but that the services that they have actually meet their needs in that particular moment in time. Apart from lunch, I'm most excited about the guest speaker, which is Andrew Jenkins from The Traitors. Andrew talked a lot on the show about his experiences of mental health, and I think it's really important to have someone who can talk about how that impacted them, but also how they got around that and how they then use that channel and that platform to turn it into positive action. And I'm really excited to hear that and think about what more I could be doing in my life and world as well. People should come to the conference because it's a really exciting time in Wales to be involved in health and social care services, particularly if you have an interest in lived experience. This is a brand new conference, a first of its kind from the forum, and I think it plans and hopes to be a really productive day that isn't just a talking shop, but actually delivers change and builds relationships from that moment on.